Hey everybody, this is Videobob, and welcome back to Videobob's RV and Tour Bus channel. And I've got a cool little tip trick for you. We're here on the rock and roll fridge, and I just want to show you this little trick here. What I've got here, and let me put this on the countertop here so you can see. All right, what I've got here is a cup of frozen water, right? Just a regular plastic cup with frozen water in it, and then I got a quarter. What is the purpose of that? All right, here's the trick. Here's how it works. Keep this in your freezer. If you ever come back and that quarter is below the ice, you know that your power was off, this melted, and then the quarter went down and then it refroze. That's a way to know whether or not your food is good in your fridge. You might be storing your bus or your RV, and you went away for a day or a week or a month or whatever, and you come back and maybe you had food in there, meats or vegetables or whatever. This is a way to check on that. Just one of those little tricks I like to share with people, and that's what this channel is all about. I like to hang out on my bus. I park my bus over at my shop, at my office, and I like to use it to come in here and make lunch. I got an air fryer in here and a microwave and, you know, a cooktop and stuff like that. So we'll be doing way more videos like this, really cool stuff. Hey, listen, if this is what you're into, if you're into the RV and tour bus life, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check it out. Here's the next cool new video. I'm Videobob. Thanks for watching.